everybody, welcome back to What the Show!
What the Show!
With your two favorite hosts, Joe and
Dustin.
Today we have another super fun episode for you guys. We are playing the Whisper Challenge.
Muppet Edition!
Woo! And why are we playing this game today, Dustin?
Well, Happy Time Murder came out, and we saw it, and we got us thinking, Muppets.
We should do a Muppet episode. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Alright, dude, you ready to do this?
Yeah, let's do it, man.
Let's do it!
Woohoo! Alright, here we go, round one. Muppets. You ready?
Oh,
Put it back on. Cheater.
Alright.
Snuffleupagus.
Snuffleupagus.
What? Boo! Boo!
Nice.
Snuffy's the man.
That was an easy one, yeah. He's pretty cool. He's got like long eyelashes too.
Yeah, and only
What is this? Yeah.
this is
Oh.
elephant tusk.
I
Trump.
see.
Only Big Bird can say him. Whatever, you jerk. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Gotta open my phone.
Joe has to open up a note.
Yes, because I don't want to get it wrong. Ready?
Is this on?
Here we go.
I don't know. What?
Doctor.
Duncan?
Bunsen.
Mr. Cashew.
Doctor.
Doctor?
Bunsen.
Bunsen? Dr. Bunsen?
Honeydew.
Beaker? Bunsen Honeydew.
Boom!
Honeydew!
Yes! Alright, man, you got it!
Nice.
Woo!
Is he a real doctor?
He really is, yeah. He's got his glasses and his little lab coat.
I like Beaker.
Yeah, I like Beaker too.
And he always gets like all shrunk.
And there's always stuff getting exploded.
Well,
Yeah.
they don't know what they're doing. They're
Yeah.
stupid Muppets. He's not a
That's
real
true.
doctor.
Alright, got the next one?
Yeah, okay.
You need to write it down?
No, I know what Muppets are.
Can't hear you.
Alright, here we go, round two.
Rizzo the Rat. What?
Alright, cool.
Rizzo the Rat. Rizzo the Rat?
So close.
Weasel? Weasel?
No. Rizzo.
Rizzo.
Rizzo
The
the Rat.
Rat.
Yeah, Rizzo the Rat.
Rizzo the Rat. Rizzo the Rat? Rizzo the Rat?
Rizzo.
Weetho Rat?
Rizzo.
Imbrizzo. What Muppet is this?
Rizzo.
Weasel.
Riz.
Wheeze.
Riz.
Reese?
Riz.
Ooies. Ooies. Hoies. Hoies.
Rizza.
Weeza. Wizza. Rizza. What was the answer?
Rizzo.
Rizzo the Rat. Who's
Yeah, Rizzo.
Who's Rizzo the Rat?
Isn't the Muppet story? Rat. He's a little rat. I was following around Gonzo.
Rizzo the Rat, no. What is it? Wizzo?
Rizzo.
Rizzo. Okay.
Rizzo.
I never knew Rizzo. What'd you like about Rizzo? Tell me something about Rizzo.
He's just an a-hole.
Really?
Yeah, he's always like to tell him like it is.
Yeah.
He's
Alright.
like a cool New Yorker guy.
Does he wear clothes? Like,
Yeah, he's got like a hat. He's got like a New York accent.
oh, okay. Alright, cool, man.
Now, whatever. You ready? You got one? You
Yeah.
gotta look up your note because you can't remember
got-
3 names.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Is that on? Fozzie Bear?
Nope.
Florida?
Floyd.
Flo?
Floyd.
Stop.
Floyd.
Florence.
Floyd.
Steph Flor?
Floyd.
Florid? Pepper.
Floyd.
Flo and pepper? Salt and pepper.
Floyd.
Floaty pepper.
Flo.
Flo. Popo?
Duh.
Kiki.
Duh. Floyd.
Kiki pepper.
Floyd.
Pepper Kiki?
What?
Flowy pepper.
Floyd.
Flo.
Floyd.
Flu.
Floyd.
Lawrence.
Floyd.
Lawrence Pepper.
Floyd.
Huh?
Floyd. Floyd Pepper.
Oh, that was close. Who's that?
That is the band guy, right? I think so.
What
yes.
band? Dr. Teeth?
It's not Dr. Teeth. It's Floyd Pepper.
Maybe.
So,
Maybe that's one of his
yeah.
bands.
He's the guy that's like, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
So,
man.
Yeah. Floyd Pepper.
Dr. Teeth.
Yeah, I tried to pick a tricky one that you wouldn't know, and I'm glad I did.
Yeah, you win nothing. Good on you.
All right, man. All right. You got another one for me?
One last one.
All right. I'm ready, buddy. I'm ready.
One last one.
Let's do it.
It's not getting colder down here. All right. Ready? Rover the Monster.
Grover. The
Monster. Rover the Monster.
Master.
Monster. Monster.
It's not bastard.
It's not Rover the
Grover
Bastard.
the bastard. The monster?
Yes.
That's it?
Yes.
Yes. I was gonna say Badger. It looked like you were saying Badger. I was like, there's no Badger.
Here's our Muppet babies.
His full name is not Grover the Monster, is it?
It's Rover Monster.
Oh.
They're all monsters.
Interesting.
Here's one of my favorites.
No, Fozzie Bear's a bear. But
that's also his name.
yes. But he's also a bear. He's not a monster.
True. Yeah.
Yeah. You
Well,
said they're
Elmo
all
monster.
Oh, yeah, Elmo was a monster.
Grover's the man. Super
Grover's
Grover?
There's a picture of like Hillary Clinton and Elmo. Is that you? You can't hear me at all.
You ready?
No! I'm talking
Why do you have to look at the notes?
I'm talking to you
It's
about...
a word!
I'm talking to you about something totally different. You can't even hear me.
I can't hear you. All I know is you don't have the word yet. That's all I know.
Alright, ready?
Stella?
Yeah.
Stella and Waldorf. Statler and Waldorf.
Ha! Yeah! There you go, man. There you go. You got that one pretty quick. I was having a full conversation with you because there was, right when I opened this, it was like a picture of Hillary Clinton and Elmo on her lap. And I was talking about it and you didn't answer me.
Statler? Those guys are the bomb.
They are the bomb. They're always movie critics. Yeah, they're pretty cool.
I'd rather die! Or something like that. They're always
I don't
like,
remember their quotes. How do you remember their quotes?
they say something like that. It's always something like horribly mean. Anyway.
On a lighter note. Alright, so there's our episode today, guys. What'd you think? What'd you think, Dustin?
That was pretty fun, I guess.
Yeah.
You know, Muppets are cool.
Muppets are cool. Yeah, Muppets are really cool. Are really cool.
Don't touch my hand. We're not there yet.
The only thing is, though, there's not so many Muppets, so it's kind of easy.
There's
you know what I mean?
a crap ton of Muppets.
Yeah,
You just don't know anything.
Anyways, who won that challenge, though? Actually,
I won.
I think we tied, actually.
No.
You didn't know one, and I didn't know one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Whoa!
Get out of my
That's
face.
my mouth, man.
Get out of my face!
I'm
Alright,
sorry,
so, Dustin, can you bring us on home, man?
Nope.
So, anyways, as always, guys, make sure you hit
that subscribe button.
subscribe button. Woo! Hit that subscribe button.
That's my limit.
And check out the
Check out the socials.
like.
Instagram, that's the bomb.
Exactly. And check us out every Tuesday and do it with me, Dustin. Thursday for more episodes of
What the Show!
What the Show! Yeah, that's pretty good,
I
man.
think they noticed when I changed back.
I don't think they noticed. I don't think they noticed at all. Hey guys, make sure you hit that circle.
Yeah, hit those buttons on the screens.
Yep,
It has a whole
subscribe.
bunch of good stuff.
Check
on
out our
there.
other stuffs.
Lots of videos.
Yep, lots of puppet action.
Oh my god, I'm shaking on the floor. So, take my picture.